today's video is an exciting one because festival season is upon us. It is all happening. So this video is inspired by some of my favorite products over at Igk Hair and Milk Makeup. They've sponsored this video, so thank you guys for making it possible. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how I got this holographic, dewy, glowy makeup look, as well as the holographic, super fun, glittery festival hair. So if you're excited about festival season, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. I just washed my hair today, and it's not flat and weighed down right now, which is really nice. And to help with that, I used the Igk Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. This is totally fine. Like, oftentimes, like, oils and gels are way too much for fine hair, but they've broken this down to a really nice, lightweight, moisturizing, it gives your hair like a kind of an undone, like lived in kind of feel. So I worked this through my hair before I blow dried, and I'm also going to use it today to help with a little bit of the braid over here. But before we do that, we're going to go in with some dry shampoo. I'm going to go in with two things here. Over here we've got the Direct Flight Igk Multitasking Dry Shampoo. This one is a medium cleanse level. They have 3 different levels. One is for very, very fine hair, and I have extensions in right now, so I'm not quite there, but I'm going to be using this one because it gives a medium cleanse level, texturizing, and a volumizing, and it's invisible. And then I'm going to go in with the Igk Beach Club Texture Spray. I want it to be very texturized. So I'm just going to get this and start spraying it all through the hair. And you don't just have to use dry shampoo when you have dirty hair. I mean, that's what it was made for, but it gives texture and body to your hair too. So I use it pretty much all the time, whether I've just washed my hair or not. Okay, done. Just kidding, although it does look pretty good. So this is gonna give us some piecey fullness. I just always really like that with my hair. So we're gonna put it towards the mid to ends.
Ooh, baby, I am ready for that hot break. Yeah.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through and tease a little bit of my hair. First of all, to cover the extensions. Second of all, to give it even more volume.
Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance.
I feel like for like summer and hot days and festivals and stuff, like kind of like more of the undone look is the best way to go, just because you don't want your hair to be too perfect that the wind's gonna mess it up, the dirt's gonna mess it up, so you might as well beat it to it and just like beat it at its own game and just make it messy, piecey, and awesome. Okay, now for the braid portion, I'm gonna be taking Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. Now, it does say that you're supposed to put this on damp hair, which I did today, but I really like the consistency of this, and so does my pants. I'm just gonna take this and run it through the hair that I'm going to be braiding, just because it's gonna help smooth it down and kind of help the braiding process become easier. It's so freaking windy outside right now. Can you guys hear that? Like, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna separate the section like right behind my ear, basically, that I am going to braid. And I'm going to clip the rest of this back. I am going to start with a Dutch braid, and then I'm going to try and switch it to a fishtail braid. Let's see how this goes. I'm kind of a novice at braiding, but I do find it quite fun. So let's try this out here. Hair. This is gonna give you a braid that's gonna sit outside, if that makes sense.
Under dark skies, I keep on crying. Give me more. Ooh.
Now I'm going to switch to a fishtail braid.
Gotta keep the blue moon. Lion heart, you got me feeling like a queen of Mars.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna take a little clear rubber band, tie that on here. It's not like the most perfect braid, but what can I say? This is real life right here, people. So starting up here, I'm just gonna kind of pull at the braid, try and make it a little messy. Our braid in there and it's nice and messy. What I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to do some super loose curls, just like one in the middle.
Lion heart, lion heart.
Now that we've added a little bit of bend to the hair, I'm going to be taking the Intern Flexible Hairspray. Flexible is good. And I'm just going to spray this through just a little bit to keep the shape. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of this. Next, we're going to use the Hair Strobing Glitter Spray because you can never have too much glitter. And I'm just going to like spray this everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Next, for a little bit of metallic fun, I'm going to be using the brand new Igk Foamo Holographic Hair Foam in Meteor. This is kind of like, it's like a gray. I'll show you what it looks like on my nearly clean palette that I'm going to use it off of. So it looks like that, and when you put it on, it's kind of like a purpley gray, so I thought that that would go really well with my hair. There's a few different ways that you can use this. You can comb this through your hair with a comb if you have kind of like, I would say you want to do it by the root of more like a kind of a clean look, or you can take a makeup brush and brush it right on there, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to take this and start applying this to my braid. Oh, that's so cool. Put this at the roots as well. I'm just gonna do like a really messy, quick other braid so that I can add more. This is so fun. It's so freaking pretty. As you can see, I have my base on, my brows, contour, blush. First, we're gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Ubami Mascara. And one thing that's really cool about this is if you are someone who likes to use a fan brush for your mascara, you can just squeeze this out super easily and use it that way. I don't know, for like summer and festival stuff, I usually don't like to wear lashes. So having a good mascara that you can put on so you don't have to feel like you have to wear lashes is definitely a win-win. So when that happens, just wait for it to dry and then you can flake it off. It'll come off super easy. Don't try and mess with it when it's wet though, because it's gonna be a hot mess. We're gonna skip the bottom lashes for this one, and now let's move on to highlight. I'm gonna be using a few different things for highlight here. First, as a base for the powder highlight, just so we can get even more of an intense payoff, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Supernova stick right here. It's kind of like a lavendery kind of holographic look. So I am going to put that on this area, and then we're going to go in with a more natural highlight right here. Even take some of this with your finger, tap it in. Put a little on the nose, kind of like anywhere that you put a highlight. I'm going in with Mars, which is more of like it's like a kind of like an orangey pink holographic highlight. I'm gonna kind of do that right here. And kind of in the same spots. Now we're going to top that off with the holographic highlighter powder in Mars and Supernova. Kind of doing the same thing, like following the same color that we did, like with Supernova up here and more on the Mars over here. First, I'm gonna go in with Supernova.
Tight, we're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right.
Now I'm taking NARS. I wiped off my brush a little bit, and I'm gonna take this, just kind of beat it up with it. Kind of doing this on the edge of Supernova too, because it matches my blush color a little bit better. I hope that's picking up on camera how pretty that is. I'm gonna take Milk Makeup's, this is a tattoo stamp. This one is, oh, it's on the other side here. It's, this is the Star. It was so hard to pick because they have so many cute ones. I like love this so much. I actually wore one as like darkening my freckle right here. Like I just popped it on there, it's so cute. But today I'm just gonna put these like right under the eyes. I wanna make sure this is straight.
Slow ride, just showing that baseline.
They're somewhat even. Close enough. You can have fun with this. You can put these everywhere. You can put them on your hand. You can put them on your neck. You can put them above your eyebrows. There's a lot you can do with these. These are really, really, really fun. For lips, I'm just gonna apply just a nude lipstick.
Can save you from your past. This bond is always gone.
Now I'm taking the Milk Holographic lipstick in Mars just to top this off to give a little bit of the holographic effect.
What you gonna do? We're doing it.
For a little extra glitter, I'm going to be taking the Gold Foil Face Gloss by Milk. This is like a non-sticky, non-oily, super pretty like glitter paste, if you can see that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my brush and put this right on the brow bone. You can really put this anywhere though if you want to put it on your cheeks. It'll give you a nice luminous glow. You can put it on your eyelids, you can put it on your lips. And we're almost ready, but there's one last thing we've got to do.
Baby, you got me. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic.
And there you have it. That wraps up this hair and makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys found it useful and inspirational for your festival season. Bye guys.